Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about step-by-step student visa process for Australia. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. You can use a tourist visa for a 12-week program, such a language study. Study for 16 weeks on a working holiday visa. For university education and extended programs, you'll require a student visa. Step 1. Get a COE from an Australian school. You must attend an Australian school before applying for a student visa. After you accept a school's offer letter in writing and pay their tuition deposit, the school will issue you a COE, confirmation of enrollment. Start your visa application with this document. You'll need a COE for each program you take, such as a language course and college. We have a partner who can help you apply to all Australian universities for free. Step 2. Register with Australian Immigration. Australian visas are usually applied for online. Create an account at https://online.ammi.gov.au/lucy/register before starting your visa application. Name, phone number, and email are required. Create a password and accept their terms. Step 3. Ensure all papers are digital. You'll need these documents to get a student visa. COE. OSHC insurance. Study abroad insurance FAQ. Passport valid for your entire stay in Australia, as it's difficult to exchange it whilst studying on a student visa. Your application must show that you plan to stay in Australia temporarily. You can substantiate this claim with a letter from your native country school or other materials. Depending on where you apply and study, you'll need more documentation. Common documents include birth certificate, bank statement showing you can pay for school, certified grade reports and IELTS results show you have enough knowledge to pass your planned education, employment contract, pay stubs, etc. Convictions must be documented. Online applications require digital documents. So having a scanner when you apply or scanning everything in advance is helpful. Certified translators should translate all documents. Save your application if you're missing documentation. Step 4. Online visa application. Subclass 500 student visa. Apply 124 days before your course begins, according to the date on your COE. Online. You'll then be asked for personal, family, education, work, health, and criminal record information. You can save and pause the app. Step 5. Pay visa cost, acquire TRN. The application fee is 575 Australian dollars. Online credit card payment is easiest. Paying is explained. After application and payment, you'll get a TRN number receipt, transaction reference number. Save it to check your application status. Step 6. Health checkup, interview. Depending on where you study in live, you may need a health checkup and/or visa interview. You'll receive this information if you apply above. You'll need your TRN number and instructions on what to check before doing the health checkup. This page lists Australian immigration-approved doctors in your country. Step 7. Visa decision. It depends on where you apply and how busy the Australian immigration offices are. After submitting a thorough application, we've seen decisions within a week or two. Log into the immigration website, using the account you created in Step 2, and input your TNR number. Once your visa decision is ready, Australian authorities will email you. If you need a tangible copy of your visa, print the approval letter you receive online. Australia travel. After receiving your visa, you can enter Australia 90 days before your course start date. If you haven't secured lodging through your school, tell them your address within 7 days of arriving. If your course lasts longer than 10 months, you can stay in Australia for 60 days after it expires. All of these dates should be on your visa. If they differ from what we've provided, follow your visa's requirements. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.